Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search by ingredients on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to click on the search icon, which is at the bottom of the screen, the second option. Click on that and you can search by ingredients. You can see at the top of the screen some options, but you can click on the view all, and here you can see some of the ingredients, or you can search common ingredients. So here is a whole list, and if you click on one of those, click on the search with one ingredient, and then here you will see recipes that include this cayenne pepper ingredient. So this is really simple and effective. If you have something in your fridge and you want to cook something with that ingredient, but you do not have a recipe in your mind, then here you can search, and then you can cook it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.